clear terms, the review can be summed up in just a line. It is a Salman Khan film. So the ones who like him will definitely go for it, whether the review is in favor or not. That's star power working most in the case of Salman Khan. A case in which none of the parameters of reviewing a film can be applied. However, we still give you an exclusive insight into what this film is all about. Prem, that is Salman Khan, has a happy giant family, whereas Sanjana, an orphan, lands in India to be with her mamas, that is Sharat Saxena and Akhilendra Mishra, who are greedy and want to usurp her property. Sanjana, in the garb of Pooja, gets into Prem's family and the two fall in love with each other. Enters a major problem. Sanjana's mamas are at constant loggerheads with each other and want Sanjana to marry their respective brother-in-laws in order to acquire her property. How Prem manages to win over Sanjana and brings the two sworn brothers together is what the film is all about. Filmmaker Anees Bazmi, in case of Ready, seems to have worked only in few areas, that is in encashing Salman's Dabangg success, creating trademark dialogues and scenes that will have a similar Dabangg effect and creating songs that will manage to pull the masses to the theatre. But if only dragging them to theatre was enough, Anees, the entire film reeks of cliché dialogues and storyline of his past films. Was still of flops like No Problem and Thank You. Within a couple of minutes into the film, you know you are in for a huge disappointment. So there's the same old hanging from the cliff scene reminiscent of No Entry or the Dawn Connection reminding of Welcome. If the shoddy screenplay wasn't enough, there are many loud-mouthed, badly written dialogues. Say for example, मैं कुत्ता हूँ, ये कुतिया है. Even the dialogue, life में कभी तीन चीजों को underestimate मत करना, I, me and myself, has been painfully inserted with a desperate attempt to make it click. There's also a bare-chested scene of Salman, obviously to give the Aam Janta their money's worth. Clearly, Anees should be banned from making films for the next 5 years. Wish Salman could put even 10% of the enormous efforts that he is putting into promotions in acting as well. He is stout throughout. But blame it on the director who couldn't extract much from his actor. Asin barely does anything apart from showing various expressions in the typical Aankhon Hi Aankhon Mein Ishara scenes. An ensemble cast of Mahesh Manjrekar, Paresh Rawal, Sharat Saxena, Akhilendra Mishra, Arya Babbar, Puneet Asar, Manoj Joshi, among others, compete with each other in hamming. Music apart from the pocket fiddling Dhinka Chika and the sexy character Dheela is very Dheela. Overall, this film is a letdown. Be ready to embrace disappointment if you want to see Ready. We at Rajshri.com give it 1.5 star.
जिंदगी में तीन चीज कभी अंडरएस्टिमेट नहीं करना, I, me and myself.